I just want to share something cool that I think it's a design trend that I spot on is a lot more interaction between minimizing and maximizing UI. So I've got first my Arc browser, which I can do Control S to toggle the toggle bar, right, the sidebar. Um, well, now it doesn't work. Okay, let's do it like this. Put it back. But then in here, I've got this one, right? It's shift this. But I also have to hide everything. Not only that, it's getting very close to how Framer is. So this is a case of reverse engineering from Figma to Framer. And what a cool thing that I also realized is to reuse the naming or like the beginning of the naming or similar sounding like tools. Especially it's for design, you publish it, why Figma, Framer, FF. So easy to transition from one to another. You want to create a new space company that's incredible and people you want people to remember you? Space N. This is one of the design trends I've noticed, and I hope you will use this in the best way possible. So, to reiterate, one, maximizing and minimizing your elements with quick shortcuts, making it very easy. Two, copying styles from one another, reverse engineering. And three, making sure that when you create a new brand, you actually use, if it's in the same category, same industry, you can use, instead of Figma, let's say you can use Framer. So you can use similar sounds, similar length of words, and then people will remember you very easily.